Hi, welcome to my channel. So in this video we are going to see the permanent job vacancies or the notification from one of the state public service commission, and here the salary is up to 1,67,800 rupees per month. So here there is no restriction for the graduation and discipline. Any graduate can apply to this one, and even for the 12th pass candidates also the vacancies are there. Okay, so and you may apply from any state, guys. So before going into the main content of this video, here one announcement is that the candidates who are preparing for the UGC December 2020 cycle exam, so from April 7th onwards, the revision through the previous year questions for the paper 1 as well as the electronic science. Okay, so utilize this opportunity, guys, and the details regarding this one I kept at the end of this video, and the links I kept in the description box of this video. Coming to the present content of the video. So it is Bihar Public Service Commission, and it is the official website of the BPSC online application portal, guys. So I will provide this link at the end of the description box of this video. And if you scroll down, you may check down here the Child Development Project Officer and the Lower Division Clerk, Bihar Public Service Commission. Okay, so for the CDPO, that is Child Development Project Officer, the last date for the registration is 1st April 2021. That is today is the last date, and the last date of payment is also today only, and the last date of filling online application form is also 1st April 2021. And while coming to the lower division clerk, okay, here the last date of registration is 16th April 2021, and the same one is the last date for the payment as well as the filling up of online application form. Okay, so if you click on here the PDF, then you will be directed to the notification regarding the both these two. Okay, so anyhow I am going to show that one in some private websites, guys. And here you may check down the Bihar BPSC CDPO recruitment 2021. So total 55 posts are there from 5th March to 1st April. So you may check down here. So BPSC has announced the latest recruitment for the CDPO 55 vacancies. Candidates who wants to apply may check the details here. So the total 55 posts are there, and the last date is the 1st April as we already saw. So we will see the basic eligibility criteria. Education qualification: the candidates must have passed the graduation in any discipline or its equivalent from a recognized university or board or institution. So you have to go through the official notification for more qualification details. Anyhow I will attach that one also. And minimum age limit is 21 years and the maximum age limit is 37 years. Okay, and the age limitation relaxations are also provided based upon the caste category. And coming to the details of pay scale, 53,100 to 1,67,800 rupees per month. Application fee is 600 rupees for the general and others, and 150 rupees for the PH and domicile female, and 150 rupees for the domicile SC, ST and other reserved candidates. So the candidates who wants to apply from other states, you will comes under the general category, guys. The selection process will be preliminary exam, main exam and interview. So for the syllabus purpose, you have to visit the official website. Anyhow I will attach the link in the description box of this video. Okay, so the preliminary exam and the interview and all the exam dates will not announce down. Those will be announced later. So you have to apply through online, and payment can be made via debit, credit or the net banking options. Okay, so here in this online application form, so if you want to apply to the CDPO, then click on the apply online here. Okay, then you will be directed to the online application form here. You have to fill up all these details, whatever the details asking here, and then click on the submit registration form. Okay, and while coming to the LDC, okay, so the LDC here, last date is the 16th April 2021, and the admit card release date and the online examination, all these things, dates will be announced later, guys. And the total, the commission has announced 24 vacancies for the lower division clerk post. Okay, and based upon the caste category, these 24 vacancies are divided here, so you may check down. And next here the education qualification is class 12th passed with knowledge of computer typing to be eligible. That means if you are the 12th class of the intermediate examination passed, then you can apply to this one. With little bit computer knowledge must be there. And while coming to the age limit, 18 years is the minimum and 37 years is the maximum, and the relaxation is provided based upon the caste category here, guys. So you may check down. And how to apply means the same thing as I shown previously. So I will provide this website link. So here click on the apply online in front of the lower divisional clerk, then you will be directed to the online application form of the LDC. Coming to the application fee, 600 rupees for the general BC and EWS, 150 rupees for the SC ST and 150 rupees for the Bihar domicile female. And coming to the selection process, so here also preliminary test and the main test will be there. Okay, and the candidates who will get qualified in the main examination test will be eligible for the computer typing test will be there. Okay, so here the three types of test: preliminary, main, as well as the computer testing, typing test. Okay, and coming to the salaries, 19,900 to 63,200 rupees per month. Okay, so these are the complete details regarding the Bihar Public Service Commission Child Development Project Officer and the lower division clerk. Okay. If you are having any doubts regarding in the online application form filling up, then please put your query in the comment section. And for more details, subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UG Senate exam, here one announcement follows. So listen guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGCNET candidates who are preparing for the UGCNET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGCNET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose, I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos, you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGCNET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide